compact smart oven featuring the roast function. For those who are eager to master the art of roasting with ease, all you have to do is prep the ingredients. It's genius. To get started, set your compact smart oven to roast and the rack to the bottom position. The roast function is ideal for cooking a variety of vegetables and meats and ensures the food remains tender and juicy on the inside, but crispy on the outside. Selecting the roast function brings up a default temperature, which you can adjust to suit your cook. Press the Start Cancel button before placing the food in the oven. Once the backlight illuminates, the oven alert will, and the LCD screen will show a blinking preheating message. The Element IQ system will then direct more heat through the base of your oven to beautifully brown the underside, while also delivering more gentle heat to the top of your roast for a crisp skin without burning or drying out. Today, I'm making a roasted whole chicken with fennel and potatoes. A tip for roasting a whole chicken is to place it side on in the oven, with legs pointing to the left or right, with the breast facing up and the tray centered. Roast chicken has never looked so good.